If you ever wondered what Autocross is or what AutoX is, you're in the right place, because today I'm taking my 03 Corvette Z06 to the track, and I'll show you exactly what this is and everything I know about it. Let's go. Basically, this is probably one of the cheapest, if not the cheapest way to get into racing. They usually set up a bunch of cones around a big parking lot or a track, which is here in Monroe. We just pulled up to Monroe in Washington State. They have an actual racetrack. It's nice because it's big. So they set up all these cones to make course, and then you just everybody gets to run the course as fast as they can, staying within those cones. And a lot of people get super competitive with this whole thing, so they just, you know, spend a lot of money on all the car parts, on all the tires and whatever. But for me, I usually just do it for fun. I'm not too competitive about it. I just want to get out here and just test out the car and just have some fun. I think the biggest thing, the tires is the biggest thing, because it's a small technical course usually. The speeds are kind of on the low end, probably below 60, below 70 miles an hour. Usually stay around 30 miles an hour, 40 miles an hour, depends. But tires are probably the most important thing, because you want all the traction, you want all the grip. Over here, power doesn't matter as much. Usually like smaller cars like Miatas and little like hatchbacks do the best, like F2000s and little small BMWs. They do the best because they're so small and agile. You put some good tires on it, sticky tires, you put nice stiff suspension. The stiffer the better, because you want the car act like a go-kart basically. You're not gonna go fast, crazy. You just want to control your car. It's about precision. It's about being very tight and staying within those cones and going around the cones as fast as you can. Today I'm taking out my C5 Z06. It's a 2003. It's pretty much stock, a couple bolt-ons like headers and exhaust. It is lower than suspension, it's pretty stiff, but the worst thing is I have horrible tires over here. The tires are old and dry. You can see like little cracks within the tires. That's gonna be not good, but I'm here just to test out the car, just to have some fun. When I bought the Z06, I got like racing slicks, spare set of rims with tires. I haven't brought them with me today, but I'm gonna try them out next time I come. I just didn't have enough time to get ready and put them on and test them out. But I definitely looking forward to getting those tested out. And also these stock tires that I came with, the back originally supposed to be 285 on this car, but the last owner, he made them a little more narrower, so they're 275, so that's not good as well. We'll be slipping and sliding today, which is fine. We'll just have some fun. But also the PSI is pretty important in your tires, like how much air you have in tires. I lowered all my 4 tires to about 25 PSI. You know, the lower, the more grip you should get, because when guys go drifting, if you bump it up to 45, 50 PSI, you get less traction. So it's the opposite. When you do less PSI, it should be a little more traction, more grip. So we'll try how that goes. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning here. The driver's meeting is gonna start here at 11:15. And in the meantime, before the driver's meeting, everybody can just walk the track. I see a lot of people right here walking the track, and they get to learn the track, see where the turns are, where the corners are. That's gonna just help them build memory, and they can do better when it's time. And when you first pull up to this event, you have to of course go pay, register, sign a waiver, and then you pull up to the tech shop and they check your car for basics, like make sure your battery is tight, it's not loose, you have all the lug nuts, and you have a helmet, and that's basically all. So that's super simple, easy. Just check those things. And one of the things that I would suggest checking yourself, check your oil level, of course. I would add it to the max line, because when you're driving, when you're going fast, the car is moving quick and all the oil is splashing in the oil pan, and you want enough oil being sent up to the motor in the engine up top to lubricate all the parts. Actually, a couple of years ago, I took out my 04 Audi S4 here and I blew the motor. It sucked. I don't know why, but it just blew up. So that cost me like $4,000 to get put in a different one. Also, of course, check your coolant, make sure it's all there, basics. All the lug nuts are tight, nothing's wrong. And also, when you pull up, you get a little transpondent like this. You secure on your car somewhere outside, like the bumper or the tow hitch. And basically there's an app. You can track every lap that you do, like the time, how quick you do it. Basically everyone has a number here, 54. So I'm gonna check how fast I get, and hopefully I can improve each lap by lap. Don't be afraid, there's nothing intimidating about it. Find the next event near you, sign up, and go try it out. Everybody gotta start somewhere, and these events are super user-friendly, and a lot of girls even come out to race over here. So don't be shy, get out there and have some fun. It's not about being the fastest, the best, but just about having fun. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. I had a blast. I had tons of fun. And by the way, I just picked up 96 Evo 4. Last night we got it from Japan, so now we gotta wait a few months to get it shipped. Here's a couple pictures. I'll be making a video for the Evo soon once I get it. And if you find any value to this video, hopefully you did, hit the thumbs up button and ring the notification bell, and we'll see you later.